Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the water pump on BMW 318i E46. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine, and one of the pulleys is the water pump pulley. The water pump pulley is located right there. We need to remove the serpentine belt and the water pump pulley, and then we'll be able to remove the water pump. To remove the serpentine belt, this is the tensioner right there. We need to turn, this is the bolt for the tensioner pulley. We need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, and then we will install this pin that I just showed into two holes to hold the tensioner from moving, and then the belt will be loose. This is the torques that I'm going to use to turn the tensioner with a big ratchet. When I turn the tensioner, I'm going to remove the belt from one of the pulleys. You can see the belt is removed. Next I'm going to put this pin into the hole on the tensioner, and I'm going to turn the tensioner again and put then the pin through the other hole to hold it from moving, to hold it into one position. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the pin is in there, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt, and next I'll show you the position of that pin, how I put it into those holes. Here's a closer view of the pin that's gone into those holes. Next, I'll start removing the water pump. To remove the 4 bolts holding the water pump pulley, I'm going to put this clamp onto the pulley to hold the pulley from turning while I try to loosen the bolts. You can see how I've put that bracket around the pulley, and it will hold it from moving while I loosen those bolts. As the bolts are removed, now I'm going to remove the pulley. And now I have access to the bolts holding the water pump. The water pump is held by 4 bolts, one there, one to the right, and 2 on the bottom. One there and one on the other side. Once the 4 bolts are removed, I'm going to remove the water pump. If it doesn't want to go out by hand when you pull it by hand, maybe use a pry bar, use leverage somehow, and it will come out eventually. And that's the water pump out. Now I'm going to clean the space where the water pump is sitting and put the new water pump on. You can see somebody has put silicone on this pump. I need to clean all the silicone with a razor blade and maybe a screwdriver, maybe sandpaper. I'll clean the space where the water pump is sitting, and then I'm going to put on the new water pump, which is right there. This is the part number for it, and before putting on the water pump, make sure you lubricate the O-ring on the water pump. To put the water pump in its place, you need to push it hard so that the O-ring goes in all the way, and after that we can put the bolts on. Now that the bolts are on and tightened, next I'm going to put on the water pump pulley and tighten the bolts. Then I'm going to put the serpentine belt back on, and afterwards I'm going to fill the coolant system with coolant and bleed the system. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.